Sony Walkman ZX700 series. Main features are display screen size is 3.6 inch. Resolution is 1280 x 720 pixels HD. Type is LCD touchscreen. Audio quality supports HiRes audio, high-resolution audio, playback. LDSC high-resolution audio wireless, support for high-quality wireless audio streaming via Bluetooth. Ultimate digital sound enhancement engine for improving compressed audio files, enhancing sound quality closer to high-resolution audio. Digital to analog converter S-Master HX digital amplifier technology. Dual ESS technology ES9028Q2M DAX for better signal processing and improved sound reproduction. Internal storage is 64 GB of internal storage. Expandable via a microSD card slot. Battery life up to 20 hours of continuous playback on a full charge. For high-resolution audio, USB Type-C charging. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless audio streaming. Wi-Fi for online music services such as streaming, USB Type-C for charging and wired audio output. 3.5mm headphone jack. Audio formats supported M3, AAC WMA FLA, CALA, CAW, V&D SD. Sound enhancements clear audio plus technology for enhanced sound clarity. Equalizer settings for personalized sound adjustments. Design compact and lightweight design for portability. Sleek aluminum body with a refined minimalist look. Operating system based on Android OS, which allows access to apps from the Google Play Store. Special feature is ZX700 has a balanced headphone output to improve sound quality.